Welcome student. See here again one more question we can see here, which is based on surface area volume lesson. How many spherical leads shots of diameter 4 centimeter can be made of a solid cube whose edge measure 44 centimeter? Means here is a one cube, and from that cube we have to form a small sphere. What do we have to form? Small sphere. So to form the small spheres, we need to understand we are converting cube into sphere. So we will divide the volume of both of them. So here we will start with the volume of the sphere. We can see here diameter. Yeah, diameter of the sphere is equal to 4 centimeter. And then radius, what will be the radius? Radius will be d by 2, d by 2 means 4 by 2, so it will be 2 centimeter. With the help of it we can find the volume of the sphere. So here we can say volume of sphere, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here is a 4 divided by 3 pi r. What is the value of r? 2. So 2 cube. 2 cube will be 8. So what we can do here? We can write 4 by 3 as it is. So 4 by 3 again pi as it is. 2 cube is what? 8. So into 8. So 8 into 4 is what? 32. So 32 by 3 pi centimeter cube is the volume of one sphere. Now after that we can go to find number of spheres. So number of spheres is equal to volume of cube divided by volume of one sphere. So cube volume will be 44 is the side. So 44 into 44 into 44 divided by volume of sphere is what? 32 by 3 pi. So again 44 into 44 into 44 is equal to 32 by 3 will become 3 by 32, and pi value is 22 by 7, so it will become 7 by 22. So if we solve this, what will happen? 22 1 is 21, 22 2 is 44, right? There 2 1 is 2, 2 16 is, right? Then what left? Here what left? We can see 44 into 44 into 3 into 7 divided by 16. Again 4 4 is 16 and 4 11 is 44, right? Again 4 1 is 4 and 4 11 is 44. So it will become 11 into 11 into 3 into 7. So if you multiply, then 11 into 11, we know that 11 into 11 is 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 into 21, if you do, see 11 square is what? 1 to 1 into 21. So it will become 2541. So this is the answer here. How many spheres can be formed from the cube? 2541. Thank you.